Hey everyone, this is Suzanne coming to you from my sitting room. Recently I made a comment on my Facebook page about needing extra water kefir grains to make coconut milk kefir. And I felt like I needed to explain that comment in a little bit more detail so you understand why I made that comment. Now, water kefir grains, for all its intents and purposes, is intended to make water kefir. Anything else, and they may be affected and get weaker. In this case, if you use water kefir grains to make coconut milk kefir, that's exactly what's going to happen. They will weaken and eventually die off. They can be used a few times before they do die off. Hence my comment about needing extra grains. If you're a veteran to making water kefir, I'm assuming you already have extra grains to use up. So in that case, you're good to go. If you're a newbie to making water kefir, I suggest you make a few batches of water kefir in order to acquire the extra grains. You will need at least a quarter cup of fresh water kefir grains to make your first 1 liter of coconut milk kefir. So I hope that clears it up. I should also say too that keep in mind that once you do start making coconut milk kefir, those grains should not be mixed with your fresh water kefir grains. They should always be kept separate. But that'll be in my next video. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please subscribe because I'll probably have more videos coming your way. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day. Until next time, bye for now.